biggest mistake you can make in email marketing. I'm going to say this for you, Reese, but I'm also going to say this for whoever's watching this right now. The biggest mistake you can make with email marketing is sending emails to your leads from a free email provider. Do not do this. This is the biggest mistake you can make in email marketing. If you're sending out bulk emails to a huge number of people and you're sending it from a free Gmail provider, you're going to get in a lot of trouble, and that's going to lead you to being marked as spam, and you're going to get your account blocked. There's a number of things that can happen, but just to put it bluntly, don't do it. In fact, I recommend that you do two things. Number one, you want to get a custom domain name. And then you want to get a reliable autoresponder. I highly recommend Aweber. And if you're curious to know how you can get those set up, I encourage you to inquire with me through Messenger on how you can get your custom domain name set up for your business, as well as your autoresponder if you don't already have one. But you want to make sure that never ever send out emails from a generic email provider type of email. Never do this. You're going to get in a lot of trouble. It's going to cause you a lot of headache. Avoid doing this at all cost. Get a custom domain name for your business and get an autoresponder. Those two things, if you set them up, they're going to save you a lot of time and make it easier for you to do email marketing.